In this video, I'll show you how to use My Tasks, Inbox, and integrations in Asana. These three features are very helpful if you want to manage your work more efficiently inside Asana. My Tasks helps you stay focused on the work assigned to you. Inbox helps you keep up with updates and activity. And integrations help connect Asana with the other tools your team already uses. Let's begin with My Tasks. This is your personal work area inside Asana where tasks assigned to you are collected in one place. Open it from the sidebar, and you will see the tasks that need your attention. This makes it easier to focus on your own responsibilities without jumping from project to project. Inside My Tasks, you can organize the work in a way that fits your routine. For example, you might sort tasks by due date, group them by priority, or create sections for today, this week, and later. The goal is to build a personal workflow that helps you stay clear on what needs to happen next. Next is Inbox. Inbox is where Asana shows you updates connected to your work. This may include comments, task assignments, project changes, or other important activity. Instead of checking every task manually, you can review updates in one place and decide what needs your attention right away. Inbox is especially useful when you work with a team, because it helps you stay aware of conversations in progress without constantly opening multiple projects. It keeps communication tied to the work itself, which makes it easier to stay organized. Now let's talk about integrations. Integrations allow Asana to connect with tools like email, chat apps, calendars, and file storage services. This can make your workflow much smoother because it reduces the need to switch between platforms. For example, your team may use integrations to share updates, connect deadlines to calendars, or bring important information into Asana from another app. When you use all three together, the system becomes much stronger. My Tasks helps you manage your own work, Inbox helps you stay updated, and integrations help connect Asana to the rest of your digital tools. That's how to use My Tasks, Inbox, and integrations in Asana. Organize your assignments in My Tasks, follow activity in Inbox, and use integrations to create a more connected workflow. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.